Supplemental Security Income provides monthly payments to people with limited income and resources who are disabled, blind, or age 65 or older. Children who are blind or have disabilities may also qualify if their families meet income and resource limits. SSI helps cover basic living expenses like food, clothing, and shelter. Unlike Social Security benefits, SSI isn't based on work history and is funded by general tax revenues, not Social Security taxes. Most SSI recipients also qualify for Medicaid and may receive SNAP. Food assistance payments are typically sent on the first of each month. To qualify, you must be 65 plus, blind, or disabled, have limited income and assets, live in the U.S. with few exceptions, meet citizenship or eligible alien status requirements. You can apply online at ssa.gov/SSI if you meet certain criteria or schedule an appointment with your local Social Security office. Do your own research first